Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make my buttercream icing. So I usually will just jump into ingredients here. 2 sticks of unsalted butter. Make sure it's room temperature. Don't microwave it. Just let it sit out for maybe, 30 minutes to an hour. And you'll just need 1 bag of powdered sugar for every 2 sticks of butter. 32 ounces. So you're gonna use 32 ounces of powdered sugar, vanilla extract. It is better to use clear extract. You can use the brown vanilla extract. It is a lot cheaper, but it will turn your icing to more of an off-white color, not white. You will also use like a tablespoon, a little more of milk. You'll put in as much as you want depending on the consistency of your icing. I usually just put 2 tablespoons in, and if I think I need more, I want it to be a little smoother, then I'll go ahead and add more until I decide it's good enough. Well, that's all we're gonna need, so I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my mixer and we can get started. This is my KitchenAid mixer. I got it for my birthday like 2 years ago, and this is what I've been using to make my icing, and this is the attachment that I use when I'm actually mixing. Cool, so we're just gonna get started. I'm just gonna throw everything in here and start mixing. Usually I start it on like a low setting. So first you're just gonna mix up your butter until it's creamy. So after that, usually people put this in gradually. I'm a little stubborn and just like to get it done, so I'm gonna add this entire bag, let it mix on a low setting for a little while, and then I'll continue to add the vanilla extract and the milk, which is just gonna make it easier to mix up. But to avoid that, you can put this in about a cup at a time, mix it in, let it actually get smooth, and then add more. I don't like to waste time. I just want to hurry up and make it. And one more time, I do 1 tablespoon of the vanilla and then about 2 tablespoons of milk. So I do want to add, I did learn something new recently. You see how thick the icing is here? This is what you would use if you're filling in your layers. If they're gonna get, let's say they want to add a filling to their cake, you'll do it when it's really thick like this, and you'll add it right around just the outside of it, and then you'll put your filling on the inside. Because it's harder, once the cake tries to settle, this isn't going to let it sink in because it is a lot thicker. Just FYI, if you're trying to stack cakes, that is a helpful tip. For this last setting, we are gonna turn it up. It will start mixing in and make the icing a lot smoother. You can add a little bit more milk if you do want it to be not as thick as this buttercream here, but I'm gonna go ahead and keep it like this. And just like that, you're ready to go ahead and use your buttercream icing. Well, I hope you guys found this helpful. If you do give this icing a shot, let me know below on how it went, what you thought about the taste. If you think there's something different that you liked to add to it that I didn't, let me know. I'm always open to any helpful tips about cakes. I'm still learning. I feel like everybody's always learning. I hope you guys found this helpful, and I hope you guys stick around for the next video. See you guys next time. Bye.